Maintaining a perpetually clean bathroom without the need for intensive cleaning sessions is a goal many of us share, especially as we age and seek to simplify our routines. Drawing from the collective wisdom of online communities and seniors like you and me, here are some unique and practical strategies to help you achieve an ever-clean bathroom effortlessly. Number 1. Embrace daily micro-cleaning habits. Incorporating small cleaning tasks into your daily routine can prevent grime buildup and make your bathroom maintenance virtually unnoticeable. For instance, after brushing your teeth, take a moment to rinse and wipe the sink. This simple act prevents toothpaste residue from hardening and keeps the basin gleaming. For instance, Clara, a retired teacher, swears by wiping down the sink after brushing her teeth. "I keep a small microfiber cloth by the sink," she says. "It takes me just 10 seconds, but it makes my bathroom sparkle every day." Similarly, Harold, a widower who loves tinkering in his garden, uses a squeegee after every shower. "It's like wiping the slate clean," he jokes, "and my glass doors look brand new every time." These small daily habits prevent dirt from accumulating, turning what used to be a dreaded chore into a simple automatic task. By building these into your routine, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment every time you leave the bathroom. 2. Optimize ventilation to combat moisture. Excess moisture is a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Ensure your bathroom is well ventilated by using an exhaust fan during and after showers. If an exhaust fan isn't available, consider opening a window or using a portable fan to circulate air. Mary, a senior who has a flair for decorating, noticed her bathroom felt fresher after she started using a portable fan. "I didn't realize how much of a difference air circulation could make," she admitted. Additionally, Tom, a retired firefighter, shared this gem. "I hang a small fragrant sachet near my vent. Not only does it help with moisture, but it also keeps the bathroom smelling fresh." By tackling humidity head-on, you're protecting your bathroom from mold and mildew while creating a more welcoming space. Proper ventilation helps surfaces dry quickly, thus reducing the likelihood of growth. 3. Invest in moisture-absorbing solutions. To further control humidity, consider placing non-electric dehumidifiers in your bathroom. These devices absorb excess moisture from the air, preventing mold and mildew without the need for electricity. Many users have found affordable options at local stores, making this a cost-effective solution. When Grace, a retired nurse, heard about non-electric dehumidifiers from her son, she was skeptical. But after placing one in the bathroom, she smiled. "I haven't seen a speck of mildew since. These little wonders soak up excess moisture silently and efficiently." If you're on a budget, Jean, a creative spirit in her 70s, recommends using silica gel packs or even kitty litter in decorative jars. "It's a quirky solution, but it works like magic," she laughs. These solutions are not just practical, but also help you avoid the stress of constant scrubbing. 4. Use self-cleaning and low-maintenance products. Self-cleaning and low-maintenance products are like silent helpers in your bathroom. They work behind the scenes to reduce your workload significantly. Take Susan, a retired homemaker, for instance. She recently switched to a self-cleaning toilet seat with a built-in UV sterilizer. "I no longer have to scrub the seat every few days. It feels like the bathroom is taking care of itself," she laughs. Another excellent option is self-cleaning shower heads, which use special materials to resist limescale buildup. Peter, a former mechanic, installed one last year. "I haven't had to clean it once, and the water flow is still perfect," he marvels. For those who prefer simpler solutions, consider antibacterial or mold-resistant shower curtains. These small changes free up your time for more enjoyable activities, all while keeping your bathroom pristine. 5. Install water-repellent coatings. Water-repellent coatings are a game-changer for keeping bathroom surfaces looking brand new. Think of them as a raincoat for your fixtures and glass, Anna, a former teacher, applied a water-repellent spray to her shower doors and tiles. "It's like magic," she says. "The water just beads up and rolls off, leaving no streaks or spots behind. My bathroom stays shiny with almost no effort." For mirrors, Jim, a retired pilot, swears by a car wax trick. "I use a small amount of car wax on my bathroom mirror," he explains. "It prevents fogging and makes it easy to wipe away smudges. These coatings not only reduce cleaning time, but also prolong the life of your fixtures, making them an investment in convenience and durability." 6. Declutter and organize thoughtfully. A clutter-free bathroom not only looks cleaner, but is also easier to maintain. Evaluate the items you store in your bathroom and consider removing those you seldom use. For example, one senior woman shared how reducing countertop clutter made daily cleaning quicker and more efficient. You can utilize storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves or under-sink organizers to keep essentials within reach yet neatly arranged. Imagine opening your bathroom cabinet and finding only what you need, neatly arranged. That's the reality for Betty, a retired librarian. "I gave away everything I hadn't used in 6 months," she shares. "Now I only have my essentials, and it's so liberating." To make the most of your space, you could follow Robert's advice, who shared, "I use clear bins for my toiletries. I can see everything at a glance, and it's so much easier to keep tidy." Decluttering isn't just about cleaning. It's about creating a peaceful, clutter-free haven. 7. Choose easy-to-clean fixtures and materials. When updating your bathroom, opt for materials and fixtures designed for easy maintenance. For instance, wall-mounted sinks and toilets have fewer crevices where dirt can accumulate, making cleaning simpler. Additionally, large tiles with minimal grout lines reduce the areas where mold and mildew can develop. Selecting fixtures with smooth, non-porous surfaces can also prevent grime buildup. When Margaret renovated her bathroom, she chose wall-mounted sinks and large, seamless tiles. "Cleaning is now a breeze," she beamed. "I don't miss scrubbing grout lines one bit." Even small changes can make a difference. Bill, a retired engineer, replaced his shower curtain with a glass screen. "It's easier to clean, and it brightens up the space," he explains. Think of these updates as investments in your future comfort. 8. Implement a color-coded cleaning system. To streamline your cleaning process and prevent cross-contamination, consider adopting a color-coded system for your cleaning tools. Assign specific colors to different areas of the bathroom, for example, blue for the sink, red for the toilet, and green for the shower. This method ensures that each area is cleaned with dedicated tools, enhancing hygiene and efficiency. Jane, a former kindergarten teacher, took her classroom organization skills home. "I assigned a color to each cleaning area," she says. "It might sound silly, but it prevents cross-contamination and keeps things fun." When her grandkids visit, they love helping her clean because they get to pick their color. Not only is this method practical, but it can also become a fun family tradition. 9. Utilize multifunctional cleaning tools. Investing in versatile cleaning tools can save space and simplify your routine. For example, a handheld steam cleaner can tackle various surfaces, from tiles to glass, effectively removing grime without harsh chemicals. Similarly, extendable scrub brushes can help you reach high or awkward areas without straining, making the cleaning process more comfortable. Sarah, a retired chef, compares her cleaning tools to her favorite kitchen gadgets. "I bought a steam cleaner," she said, "and it's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. It works wonders on tiles, mirrors, and even stubborn corners." James, who loves DIY projects, uses an extendable scrub brush. "It saves my back and gets to places I'd otherwise miss," he said with a chuckle. It's a game changer. These tools make cleaning faster and easier, giving you more time for the things you love. 10. Leverage smart technology for cleaning. Modern technology can be your best ally in maintaining a clean bathroom. From robotic cleaning devices to app-controlled gadgets, there's a growing range of products designed to make cleaning effortless. Take Margaret, a tech-savvy grandmother, for example. She uses a robotic mop specifically for her bathroom tiles. I just set it down and let it do its thing while I enjoy my morning coffee, she shares. Other innovations include smart faucets with self-cleaning features or UV light toothbrush sanitizers. These devices not only improve hygiene, but also add a touch of modern convenience to your daily routine. 11. Establish a weekly maintenance schedule. While daily habits keep your bathroom in good shape, setting aside time for weekly maintenance ensures deeper cleaning tasks are addressed. This might include wiping down mirrors, scrubbing the toilet bowl, and mopping the floor. By dedicating a specific day each week to these tasks, you create a routine that prevents dirt accumulation and keeps your bathroom consistently clean. Eleanor, a former accountant, thrives on routines. Every Sunday I do a quick bathroom check, she said. It's not a chore anymore, it's part of my self-care. Even if schedules aren't your thing, consider Howard's approach. I set a timer for 15 minutes, he shared. Whatever I can do in that time is enough. Breaking it into manageable chunks ensures the task doesn't feel overwhelming. 12. Incorporate natural cleaning agents. Many community members advocate for the use of natural cleaning solutions, such as vinegar and baking soda, which are effective and environmentally friendly. For instance, spraying a mixture of vinegar and water on shower walls can prevent soap scum buildup, while baking soda can be used to scrub sinks and tubs gently. These natural agents are not only safe but also cost-effective. Helen, a retired botanist, mixes vinegar with a few drops of essential oil for her bathroom spray. It's safe, effective, and smells delightful, she says. For tougher stains, Carl recommends baking soda. It's gentle but gets the job done, he says, and it reminds me of the good old days when we didn't rely on fancy chemicals. Using natural cleaners isn't just eco-friendly, it also connects you to simpler, more mindful ways of living. 13. Incorporate decorative yet functional items. Your bathroom can be both stylish and easy to maintain when you choose decorative items with a purpose. For example, Alice, a retired designer, replaced her old soap dishes with elegant pump dispensers. They're easier to clean, and they give the bathroom a polished look, she shares. Decorative storage baskets or bins are another great idea. George, a retired fisherman, uses woven baskets to store extra toilet paper and toiletries. They keep everything tidy and they look good too, he says. For a pop of personality, consider functional decor like a pretty tray for your toiletries or a waterproof plant that thrives in humidity. These small touches add charm to your bathroom while serving a purpose. 14. Adopt a clean-as-you-go mindset. Adopting a clean-as-you-go mindset can be transformative, not just for your bathroom but for your entire home. My Aunt Martha, a retired baker, sums it up beautifully. If I can clean a mixing bowl right after I use it, I can certainly wipe the sink after I wash my hands. For her, it's all about seeing cleaning as a quick part of the task itself, not an afterthought. For example, when Paul, a retired woodworker, finishes shaving, he rinses his razor and wipes the counter immediately. It takes less than a minute, he says, and I never have to deal with dry soap scum or hair clippings later. The clean-as-you-go approach not only saves time, but also gives you the satisfaction of a spotless bathroom every time you leave it. 15. Add no-touch solutions. No-touch gadgets are a brilliant way to minimize mess and maximize cleanliness. For instance, touchless soap dispensers, automatic toilet flushers, and motion-activated faucets reduce the chances of leaving fingerprints and grime behind. Harold, a retired school principal, recently installed a touchless trash can in his bathroom. I no longer worry about touching the lid with wet or dirty hands, he says. It's such a small thing, but it makes a big difference. These solutions are especially helpful if you have frequent visitors, as they maintain hygiene and cleanliness effortlessly. 16. Set up a cleaning caddy for convenience. A cleaning caddy is a simple yet effective way to make bathroom maintenance easier. It's all about having everything you need within arm's reach. Linda, a retired nurse, keeps her caddy stocked with essentials like a spray bottle of all-purpose cleaner, a scrub brush, and a stack of microfiber cloths. It's so much easier to clean when you don't have to hunt for supplies, she explains. Similarly, Jan, a former coach, made cleaning a family affair with personalized mini caddies for his grandchildren. Each kid gets their own little bucket with tools, he says. They love helping, and it's a fun way to teach responsibility. By organizing your cleaning tools into a single portable container, you'll find it easier to do quick touch-ups, turning what might feel like a chore into a manageable task. 17. Keep a dedicated floor mat system. Having a good non-slip floor mat system can drastically reduce the amount of dirt and moisture that accumulates in your bathroom. Choose mats that are easy to wash and quick to dry. Doris, a retired nurse, has a genius solution. I use 2 non-slip mats, one outside the shower and one by the sink. I rotate them weekly so there's always a clean, dry one ready. For a more luxurious touch, consider mats with anti-slip backing and moisture-wicking materials. Not only do they keep your floors clean, but they also add comfort and safety. 18. Practice preventive maintenance. Prevention is better than cure, and the same applies to your bathroom. Regularly inspecting your fixtures for leaks or damage can save you from larger cleaning issues down the line. Bill, a retired plumber, emphasizes this. A small leak might not seem like a big deal, but over time, it can lead to mold and stains. A quick fix now saves hours of scrubbing later. Similarly, Alice, a former office manager, suggests replacing cracked grout or resealing tiles periodically. It keeps everything looking fresh and prevents dirt from seeping into places. You can't easily clean, she advises. 19. Foster a mindful bathroom routine. You can encourage all household members, if any, to adopt mindful habits that contribute to bathroom cleanliness. This includes wiping down surfaces after use, hanging towels to dry properly, and promptly addressing any spills or messes. By fostering a collective sense of responsibility, maintaining an ever-clean bathroom becomes a shared and achievable goal. Linda, a retired counselor, puts it beautifully. Your bathroom is a reflection of how you care for yourself. Treat it with love, and it will reward you with peace. Her tip? Place a small vase of fresh flowers or a calming scented candle in the bathroom. It's my little sanctuary, she says, and when you enjoy the space, you naturally want to keep it clean. By implementing these additional strategies, you'll not only enjoy a clean and inviting bathroom, but also experience the satisfaction of a space that supports your well-being. Remember, it's about simplifying your routine and creating a home that brings you peace and joy. I hope these tips will inspire you to embrace an ever-clean bathroom with confidence and ease. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Hit the subscribe button for more tips on living your best life in your golden years. Take care, and thank you for watching.